Welcome back to Product Critique. And today, we're bringing you the best Stoneware Reactive Glaze 12-piece dinnerware set you can buy. The Pokini Gradient Green Stoneware Dinnerware Set. Now if you're looking for dinnerware that blends elegance, artistry, and rugged everyday usability, this is it. Let's get into why this set is such a standout. First off, let's talk about the craftsmanship. This is not your average mass-produced dishware. Each piece in this set, and you get 4 dinner plates, 4 dessert plates, and 4 cereal bowls, is crafted with a reactive glaze. That means each item is genuinely one of a kind. The glaze technique involves multiple colors fusing together during firing, creating a dreamy, vibrant swirl of greens. No two dishes look exactly the same. The color gradient, especially on the bowl rims, is achieved through hand-sprayed glaze by skilled artisans. Pokini actually took their inspiration from the serene greens of a cloudy lake reflecting distant mountains. It's subtle, organic, and gives off a calm, modern aesthetic that elevates any table setting. Next up, durability. These are not flimsy dishes. Pokini uses a mix of natural clays and fires them at 2,228 degrees Fahrenheit, not once, but twice. The result? Plates and bowls that are chip-resistant, scratch-resistant, and built to last. They're lead-free, cadmium-free, and non-toxic, so you can serve hot meals with peace of mind. Now, while these aren't oven-safe, which is one thing to note, they are microwave-safe, dishwasher-safe, and freezer-safe. We also love the practicality. They're fully stackable, which is perfect for smaller kitchens or organized cabinets. The high gloss finish also makes them super easy to clean, whether you do it by hand or machine. But it's not just about daily use. These make fantastic gifts. Whether it's a housewarming, a wedding, or a holiday party, the Pokini dinnerware set brings elegance and character to the table. It's not loud or over-designed, it's refined, minimal, and timeless. It's affordable for what you get. You're not just buying plates, you're investing in a full sensory dining experience. So if you're ready to upgrade your table with something that's as functional as it is beautiful, the Pokini Gradient Green Stoneware set is worth every cent. That's it for today's review on Product Critique, where we dig deep to find what's truly worth your time and money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into products that deliver. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.